নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল ষ্টাডি উইথ লিজা নামৰ এই চেনেলটোলৈ তোমালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি ক্লাছ 7ৰ দ্য চিপকো আৰ্কিটেক্টৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰখিনি কৰিম। চ' আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো আছে, হোৱাট আৰ দ্য 5 FS গিভেন বাই দ্য ট্ৰিজ? The 5 FS given by trees are food, fodder, fertilizer, fuel and fiber. Who was Sundarlal Bahuguna? Sundarlal Bahuguna was a leader of the Chipko movement. What does Chipko mean in Hindi? Chipko in Hindi means to cling to or to hug. When did Sundarlal start the Chipko movement? Sundarlal started the Chipko movement in 1972. When and where was Sundarlal Bahuguna born? Sundarlal Bahuguna was born in 1927 in a small hill village, Madora, on the banks of the Bhagirathi in Tehri Garhwal. GARHWAL. Likhiba H to yaat thaki gol. 6 number to ase, who inspired Sundarlal to take place to serve the people? Dev Suman inspired Sundarlal to take place to serve the people. What inspired Sundarlal to open a school for scavengers? The meeting with 2 social workers inspired Sundarlal to open a school for scavengers. What did the villagers do to protect trees? When the workers arrived and advanced towards the trees with their axes, the villagers hugged the tree trunk continuously and also watched the trees during the very cold night. Thus they protect the trees. Our long question kita hoise, write a paragraph on the life and the works of Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna was a leader of the Chipko movement. He was born on 9 January 1927 in a small hill village, Madora, on the banks of the Bhagirathi in Tehri Garhwal. In 1942, Dev Suman, a young Gandhian, inspired Sundarlal to take a pledge to serve the people. The meeting with 2 social workers, Miravan and Thakur Bapa, inspired him to open a school for scavengers. He sometimes worked as a mother, a laborer, and a hawker. Sundarlal and his wife Bhimla Nautiyal established an ashram together in Silyara village of Tehri Garhwal. B to ase, write a paragraph on the eating habits of Sundarlal Bahuguna. His own habits are simple. A vegetarian since 18, he eats only coarse, dry farming cereals like jowar and mandua, certain vegetables and pulses and fruits and nuts. He does not eat rice and wheat as these crops require too much of water to cultivate and there is an increasing shortage of water. He does not drink tea as it is a luxury. যদি মোৰ আখৰখিনি বুজি পোৱা নাই তেন্তে তোমালোকে কিতাপত চাব পাৰা, মই কিতাপৰ পৰাই লিখিছোঁ। চ' প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যন দীঘল কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ উত্তৰখিনি এইখিনি হৈছে, ইয়াতে পাবা। আৰু দ্বিতীয় কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ উত্তৰখিনি এইখিনি ইয়াত পাবা। হেবিটছখিনি, অভ্যাসখিনি কি আছিল। 3 নম্বৰখিনি আছে, Sundarlal started the Chipko movement to save the forest of dash, মানে এইখিনি হৈছে খালী ঠাই পূৰ কৰা। চ' প্ৰথমটো হ'ব দ্য হিমালয়াছ। দ্য চিপকো মুভমেণ্ট টুক ৰুট ইন দ্য ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ হিমালয়াছ। Sundarlal took a pledge to serve the people at the age of 15. The name of Sundarlal's wife was Bhimla Nautiyal. The Uttar Pradesh hills are called the home of the Chipko movement. 4 নম্বৰটো আমি চাওঁ, ৰাইট ট্ৰু অৰ ফলছ। ইয়াত সঁচা আৰু মিছা লিখিব লাগে। চ' প্ৰথমটো আছে, মীৰা ভেন এণ্ড থাকৰ বাপা ৱেৰ 2 ছ'চিয়েল ৱৰ্কাৰ্ছ। এইটো হৈছে ট্ৰু। দ্য চিপকো মুভমেণ্ট কুড নট ইমপ্ৰেছ দ্য উত্তৰ প্ৰদেশ গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট। এইটো হৈছে ফলছ। Sundarlal started a long march in 1983. এইটো হৈছে ফলছ। Sundarlal's slogan was don't axe these oaks and pines. Nurture them, protect them. We have to preserve them for posterity. এইটো হৈছে ফলছ। একেবাৰে শেষৰটো আছে, Sundarlal could create environmental awareness among people. এইটো হৈছে ট্ৰু। চ' এইখিনি আমি মিলাব লাগে। আৰ্কিটেক্ট মানে হ'ব এ পাৰ্চন হু প্লেন্স নিউ বিল্ডিংছ এণ্ড ইজ ৰেছপনচিবল ফৰ মেকিং চিয়'ৰ ডেট দে আৰ বিল্ড প্ৰপাৰলি। এতিয়া কাৰ্টুনিষ্ট মানে হ'ব someone who specializes in making amusing drawings. Gamekeeper to hobo, someone who handles animals professionally, especially horses. Cryptographer to hobo, someone who studies and breaks secret codes. Numismatist etu hobo, someone who studies old coins and even present currency. Treasurer mane hobo, someone who looks after the money in an organization. এতিয়া আমি some extra questions কিতাপৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা প্ৰথমটো হৈছে who was Dev Suman? Dev Suman was a young Gandhian. When did Dev Suman come to Sunderlal's village? In 1942, Dev Suman came to Sunderlal's village. Why did Dev Suman come to Sunderlal's village? Dev Suman came to Sunderlal's village to speak about Gandhiji and the Swadeshi movement. Write the name of the two social workers. The name of the two social workers were Miravan and Thakkar Baba. When and whom did Sunderlal marry? In 1956, Sunderlal married Bimla Nautiyal. At what age did Sunderlal marry with Bimla Nautiyal? At 29, Sunderlal married with Bimla Nautiyal. Where did Sunderlal and his wife publish an ashram? Sunderlal and his wife published an ashram in Siliara village of Tehri Garhwal. From where and when did Sunderlal start a march? Sunderlal started a march from Kashmir on 30 May 1981. Where and when did the march end? The march ended at Kohima and 2nd February 1983. Which movement is started by Sunderlal Bahuguna? The Sipko movement is started by Sunderlal Bahuguna. So, ekhini asil the Sipko movement or question answer. তোমালোকে যদি ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পালা তেন্তে লাইক শেয়াৰ কমেন্ট কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা আৰু মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ নতুনকৈ অহা ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকে মোৰ চেনেলটোত সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা আৰু লগতে বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰিবা যাতে এনে ধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ'বোৰ তোমালোকে পাই থাকা। সো আজিলৈ সামৰিছো, নমস্কাৰ।